Okay, hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. I'm going to look at a couple of cases for the Galaxy S10 Plus. The cases are made by Supcase. We're going to take a look at them. Okay, the first case we're going to look at is the S10 Plus Sport, the Galaxy S10 Plus Sport. This is the green color. All right, so simple packaging, typical unicorn beetle packaging there. Pull this out. All right, it's got like a nice light green color inside. It's got some holes in there, vent, and it's nice and smooth in there. Nice texture inside. And you got the same little specks on the back where the holes are. Camera cutout right there. So it's a thin case. It's not a thick case, so you can't throw this across the room and expect it not to have any damage. But it will protect you from scratches and stuff like that. But I like this thin case though. It's kind of it's kind of rigid, but so it's not exactly a TPU because it is rigid. You got to cut out for the mic. You got your speaker cut out, your mic cut out at the bottom, charging port, 3.5mm headphone jack, Bixby button, and your volume up and down rocker. And you got your power rocker right here. You got your Supcase branding there. So it's a nice color contrast, and I think it'll look good on the device. Let's slip it in and see what it looks like with the device in it. So it fits nice and tight fit, nice and slim fit. All right, that's going to be a nice case right there. For those who are looking for a slim case that you can put on your device and not be bulky and still have, it's got good grip, great grip. It doesn't slip, not slippery. So everything is fine. You'll be able to get your hands around there, no problem. You can see the camera still got some protection. You know, it's not thick, but the camera won't touch the table when you put it down. And on the front, you got a little bit of a lip up top, a little bit of the lip on the bottom. The sides, not as much, but these two are going to protect the screen from the glass when you put it down. It's a nice case. I will be putting the link to the company in the description. I'm not sure if these are on Amazon yet, but I'm sure they will be. But I'll put those links in the video. Let's take a look at the second case. Okay, the second case we're going to look at is the Supcase Galaxy S10 Plus UB Metro Black. All right, UB Metro Black. Same boxing presentation. We'll pull this out. Pretty simple. All right, this looks like another thin case. Let's put it to the side right there. Take the foam out. Okay, so this one is a smoke case. It's got a clear back, but it's smoke. Got some cut out for the camera. It's about the same thickness as the other one that we just looked at. You got your power button right there. Cut out for the speaker, the mic, charging port, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. You got your Bixby button right there, down rocker there. So the buttons, you can see, it's got like transparency around them. You can see through that. This is a smoke case, and it's a TPU material, not too soft, but I think it's going to look good on the device, and nice and thin. So these are for folks who don't like bulky cases. This is going to work for you. Let's put this in and see how it looks. That fits nice and tight. And you got a fixture here for the lanyard as well, so you can use a lanyard if you want to with this case. But it's a nice thin case. The camera is protected, not thick, but it's going to be protected there. And you got some lip with the screen there. So that's going to be a nice looking case for your device if you're looking for something thin. So the back is smooth, so not as grippy as the last one. Oh, so on the back you got this Supcase band at the bottom with some branding. That's pretty neat. That's a nice little touch there. So kind of blends into the side, which offers a little more. Okay, so you got this kind of silver band that goes around the back here. So that's a nice little detail. If you don't pay attention, kind of blends in nicely. But that goes all around the device, the case, and then this band comes across here. So nice case there. It's a nice looking case. I like this one. I'll probably use this one when I get the real phone. Now you can see everything lines up here. The speaker, the mic, the charging port, and the headphone jack lines up pretty well. Also the mic button there. But this is a dummy phone, so you can't turn anything on. But it looks good, and I think it's a decent case for those who like those thin, slim cases. Okay, so that's a look at two slim cases from Supcase for the Galaxy S10 Plus. If you got any questions, hit them in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ, out.